Hello,
Hello. Hi, how are you?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Sahiba.
Okay, nice to meet you. My name is Karen.
Nice to meet you too.
Where
Where
are
are you
you
from?
from? Oh, I'm from Mexico. What about you?
I am from India.
Okay. All
Yes.
right. Yeah, so do you have any questions? Do you want to practice
Yes.
conversation? Okay.
Yes. You teach me some words. Actually, my English pronunciation is not good.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
What words?
Uh, Whatever.
Okay. Let me see if I can words, okay? Like
Okay.
English vocab words.
Yes,
All
yes.
right. Um, all right. Okay. All right. Okay, so you're from India, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. That's good. All right. And do you like living in India?
Yeah. Have you visited in India?
Sure. No, I've never visited. I haven't traveled much, only to like here in Mexico and the US, and that's it. Maybe one day.
Okay.
Yeah, what about you? Have you ever visited anywhere else?
No.
No. Do you want to?
Yes.
Hmm. Where would you like to visit?
uh, mm, US.
The US. Yes, that's a good place. Yeah. Okay. I'm trying to find vocabulary words. Okay.
Okay.
I really don't know which like about what. Does it matter what it's about? Like the vocabulary words or just anything?
Vocabulary words.
Yes, so like the vocabulary words. Does it
Yes.
matter like the level or the topic or just anything?
Anything.
Okay. All right then.
Yes.
Okay, I will use these words from a list that I have here. Okay. Do you know the word abundant? I will write it down as well. Okay. I will write it on the
Okay.
chat with the meaning. Okay, so abundant. Have you ever heard of the word abundant?
Yes. Abundant.
Hmm. All right, so present in large quantities, right? So it's a lot of something.
Okay.
Yes, okay. What about accumulate?
Accumulate.
Yes, are you familiar with that word? So to gradually collect, right? So for
Okay.
example, I have accumulated several like nail polishes, right? Accumulating, so it's collecting, I guess.
Okay.
Having, mhm. Like with time, you have more of something.
Okay.
Okay. Accurate.
Accurance.
Yes,
Yeah.
accurate. Let me paste it. Okay. Accurate means correct or free from
Free
error.
from
Errors.
errors. Okay.
Yes. So, for example, you answer a question, and your answer is accurate, right? So it means that
Okay.
it's correct. Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. Accustomed. Accustomed is used to
Accustomed.
something. Hmm. So, for example, you are accustomed to living in India, right? You're used to it.
Yes.
Hmm. All right. Acquire.
Acquire.
Yes, acquire means to come into possession of. Okay. So it means,
Okay.
like, for example, I acquired my dream car. So I
Okay.
finally have my dream car. Okay. Adamant. Okay. Okay, adamant, which means
Adamant.
refusing. Refusing to change an opinion.
Okay.
Okay, now
Okay.
adequate.
Adequate.
Yes, enough to suit your needs. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now adjust.
Adjust.
Adjust. Yes. Adjust, which means to change something so it serves its purpose.
Purpose better.
All right. Are you understanding these words?
Yes, yes.
All right. That's good. All right. Advantage. Advantage. Let's see.
Advantage.
Something that makes it easier to achieve success. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. What about advocate?
Advocate. Yes. To
Okay.
publicly support. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Aggressive. You know the word aggressive? Aggressive means assertive and pushy. Someone can be very aggressive. So it means like they are very like a mad person, right? They're very mad and they're
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
Okay. Alternative. Alternative means another
Alternative.
option.
Yes.
Another option or choice.
Okay.
All right. Let's see. Have you ever heard the word amateur? I will send it. Okay. Amateur.
Amateur.
Amateur, yes. So
Amateur.
it's someone who is unexperienced or not highly
Not.
skilled in a particular area.
Okay.
Okay. So ambiguous. Ambiguous. Let me see. Okay. Ambiguous is having several potential meanings, unclear
Okay.
and difficult to understand.
Understanding. Okay.
All right. Ambitious.
Ambitious.
Ambitious. Yes.
Having large goals.
Yes, do you understand?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Annual. Which is something that happens every year, occurring yearly. Okay.
Annual. Yes. Yes.
Okay. To attribute. Attribute.
Attribute. Yes.
To give
To give
credit.
credit. Okay.
All right. What about to assume? Okay. To assume.
Assume. Yes. To suppose without solid proof. Yes.
All right. To benefit.
Benefits.
Benefit. Something positive and adventurous. Advantageous. Advantageous. Sorry. So,
Yes.
do you understand that word?
Yes.
All right. Sahiba, we are running out of time already. It was really nice to meet you. I
Nice
hope
to
to
meet
talk
you
to you
too.
again so that we can continue. I don't know if you want to take a screenshot of these words or I don't know. Yeah, have a great day, all right?
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.